Hi students, I'm very happy to meet you all. Today we are going to see about 10th standard social science history part unit 1 outbreak of World War 1 and its aftermath. 5 mark question Treaty of Versailles. First World War started in 1914 and it came to an end in 1918. At the end of the First World War, the victory nations signed a Treaty of Versailles with Germany. So here asking provisions of the Treaty of Versailles. First point, Germany was found guilty of starting the war and therefore was to pay reparations for the losses suffered. All central powers were directed to pay war indemnity. For the First World War, Germany only responsible person for the First World War, so that she was asked to pay war indemnity for the losses of suffered. Not only Germany asked to pay war indemnity, but also all central powers were directed to pay war indemnity. Central powers like Austria, Hungary, Turkey, these all countries were asked to pay war indemnity. Second point, the German army was to be limited to 1 lakh men. A small navy was allowed. Before the First World War, Germany had a huge military. With the help of huge military, Germany declared war on Allies powers. So that in order to decrease its army power, the Treaty of Versailles provisions, it was limited to be 1 lakh men. And also a small navy only was allowed for German. Next point, the union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. Before the First World War, Germany annexed and occupied Austria, Hungary. So, as the Treaty of Versailles, here the union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. Next point, all German colonies became mandated territories under the League of Nations. Before the First World War, Germany had many colonies in Asia and African continents. So after the First World War, the Treaty of Versailles provisions, all German colonies became mandated territories. Those all all the colonies came to under the control of League of Nations. Here, League of Nations started for the purpose of maintain the peace and security in the world level. Next point, Germany was forced to revoke the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk with Russia and Bucharest with Bulgaria. At the time of First World War, Russia signed Treaty of Brest-Litovsk with Germany and Bulgaria signed Treaty of Bucharest with Germany. At the end of the First World War, the Treaty of Versailles provisions, both treaties were revoked. Germany was forced to revoke this Treaty of Brest-Litovsk and Bucharest Treaty. Next point, Alsace-Lorraine was returned to France. In 1872 to 71, at the time, the Franco-Prussia War was fought between France and Germany. Franco means France. Prussia means the old name of Germany was Prussia. So the Franco-Prussia War was fought between France and Germany. At the time of that war, Germany occupied Alsace-Lorraine from the France. After the First World War, Germany was asked to return the Alsace-Lorraine to France. So France get back the Alsace-Lorraine. Next point, the former Russian territories of Finland, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania were to be independent. The Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania were the territories, former territories of Russia. But in the Treaty of Versailles, its provisions are given. it should be independent nations. Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania were got independent. Next point, Northern Schleswig was given to Denmark and some small district to given to Belgium. Northern Schleswig was given to Denmark nations and some small districts were given to Belgium. Next point, Poland was recreated. After the First World War only it was initiated to form a boundaries for Poland. So it's a newly formed countries are recreated Poland. Next, the Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies. The area and the east bank of the Rhine was to be demilitarized. Rhineland was a rich in mineral resources which was occupied by Allies from the Germany at the time of First World War. In that treaty of provisions also it's allowed to occupy the Rhineland by Allies. The area on the east bank of Rhine was to be demilitarized. The east bank of Rhine this was to be demilitarized. Okay, you heard this question. I hope it will useful to you. If you feel it's useful to you, subscribe and share to your friends.